And so now we're on my coloring. She still is mixing.
I love mixing.
Sucks.
Our cat is still here. Like
So
it's
first
nothing.
off, we got yellow, silver in here. We got some green in here and red. No, green. And some purple and pink. That's what I can see. And then one speck of blue. So one speck of blue. See?
There's red.
Yeah, there's.
How about yellow? Let's try some.
There's no yellow in here.
Sure. I mean, okay, there's no.
Yeah, there's no yellow.
I think there's a lot of pink.
So my sister's gonna show you guys me right now.
Okay, wait. Let me put this down. Let's go.
So let's start.
Where's this one? Oh, here.
Silver.
Sorry.
Silver. Stop. Stop.
What are you doing in life?
Hey, stop. So, silver.
A lot of silver to make it silverly.
Okay, silver. Some silver in there. Silver.
Silver done.
Cha-ching.
Got the pink over there.
Okay, get the red over there.
Let's go red.
Let's go.
She got some silver, some red. Where's the pink coming in?
The blue. Wait, blue. Green. We said green instead of blue, and then we'll say blue instead of green.
Okay, there's some Christmas color. Rub it in.
Some. Okay, now we got one speck of this. So.
Do I have any on me? Yep, you do.
No.
Yeah, right there. Look.
One speck of blue.
One speck of blue.
That's hard.
Found it.
So you guys can't really see it, and that's why I didn't even put it
Let me
in.
try.
I didn't even put any in.
Okay, I'm trying to take
Okay,
off
one speck of blue. Got it.
Got it now. Pink and purple.
Cha-ching.
Pink